Hello dear students, if you are finding my videos helpful, then please kindly subscribe my channel, like the videos, share to your friends and also comment on the videos so that further improvement can be made in the forthcoming videos. Thank you for your cooperation. Hello dear students, we are going to solve a numerical problem related to progressive wave. The question is displacement y xt of a vibrating particle as a function of both the location and time is given as y xt is equal to a cos 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt. First, find expression for the transverse velocity of a particle on the wave. Second, find maximum speed of the particle. Third, show that the particle vibrates with simple harmonic motion. Fourth, under what circumstances Vy is equal to V E. Next, under what circumstances Vy is greater than V and Vy is less than V. Now solution. Here the given progressive wave equation is y xt is equal to a cos 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt, which can simply be represented by y. Now transverse particle velocity will be Vy is equal to dy upon dx. Here y represents that the particle is vibrating along y axis. So Vy is equal to dy upon dt. Its differentiation with respect to time gives a into minus sine 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt into 2 pi upon lambda into v, which gives minus minus plus, minus into minus becomes plus. So Vy will be equal to 2 pi ay lambda 2 pi a v upon lambda into sine 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt. This is the expression for the transverse velocity of the particle. Second, from equation 2, maximum particle velocity will be when this term is maximum, that is sine 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt is maximum, which is 1. Then Vy maximum will be equal to 2 pi a v upon lambda. Third part, differentiation of equation 1 with respect to time. Differentiation of equation 2 with respect to time gives particle acceleration as ay is equal to dvy upon dt, which is 2 pi a v upon lambda into cos 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt into 2 pi upon lambda into minus 2 pi v upon lambda. This one, 2 pi a v upon lambda into cos 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt into minus 2 pi v upon lambda. Thus it may be written as 2 pi v upon lambda square with minus sign into a into cos 2 pi upon lambda x minus bt. Again v is equal to f lambda. So v when replaced by f lambda 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 cancels and it becomes 2 pi f square, which is minus omega square, and from equation 1 this term is y. So a y is equal to minus omega square y. Equation 3 is the equation of acceleration for simple harmonic motion. Therefore, given equation 1 represents simple harmonic motion. Next, part D. D, under what circumstances Vy is equal to V? Now, solution of D. From equation 2, Vy is equal to 2 pi a V upon lambda sin 2 pi upon lambda x minus Vt, which is equal to V into 2 pi a upon lambda sin 2 pi upon lambda x minus Vt. Thus, Vy will be equal to V when this quantity becomes 1, when 2 pi a upon lambda sin 2 pi upon lambda x minus Vt is equal to 1. Similarly, part D, under what circumstances Vy is greater than V and Vy is less than V? Again, from equation 4, Vy will be greater than V if this quantity is less than this quantity is greater than 1, if 2 pi a upon lambda sin 2 pi upon lambda x minus Vt is greater than 1. When this quantity is greater than 1, then V into greater than 1 gives Vy greater than V, and Vy will be less than V if 2 pi a upon lambda sin 2 pi upon lambda x minus Vt is less than 1. When this quantity is less than 1, then quantity less than 1 into V gives Vy less than V.